In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move projects to others in Goodday. This is really useful when you need to hand off work to a teammate, change ownership, or simply reorganize where a project lives in your workspace. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Goodday and head over to your main workspace where you can see your list of projects or tasks. Take a moment to locate the specific project you want to move. Make sure you're choosing the correct one, especially if you have several with similar names. It can help to quickly check the project details or description before you continue, just to be sure you're moving the right item. Once you've found the project, move your cursor over it. On the right-hand side of the project row or card, you'll see an icon with 3 small dots. This is usually called the More Options or Actions menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Goodday keeps extra actions that aren't visible at first glance, so you'll use it often when managing projects. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to that project. Look through the list and find the option labeled Move. This is the command that lets you transfer the project to a different location or owner within Goodday. Click on Move to open the Move dialog. Now you'll see a window or panel where you can select where you want this project to go. Depending on how your Goodday account is set up, you might be able to choose a different workspace, folder, team, or user. Carefully select the new destination or the person you want to move the project to. If there's a search bar, you can type part of the name to quickly find the correct option. Before you proceed, double check that you've selected the right place or recipient, because moving projects can affect who sees and manages the work. Once you're confident your selection is correct, look for the button labeled Submit. This is usually at the bottom of the Move dialog. Click on Submit to confirm the change. Goodday will then process the move and update the project's new location or owner. After it's done, it's a good idea to quickly navigate to the new destination and verify that the project appears exactly where you expected, with the appropriate access and visibility. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully moved a project to someone else in Goodday.